So you're probably wondering, is Rocket Mortgage actually worth it? Or is it one of those too good to be true situations? Totally fair question. Let's break it down like we're just having a real conversation. And just a quick note, this video isn't sponsored and I'm not giving financial advice here. I'm just sharing what's out there based on public info and real customer feedback. Rocket Mortgage is one of the biggest names in the US mortgage world. You might remember Quicken Loans. That's them, just rebranded under the Rocket name. One of the main things people like is how streamlined the process is. If you're comfortable doing things online, their system is pretty smooth. You can apply, upload documents, and track your progress from your phone or laptop. You don't even have to talk to anyone unless you want to. For a lot of people, that's a big plus. They also offer some low down payment options. In fact, there's a program where you could put down as little as 1%. That's a huge help if you're a first time buyer or don't have a ton of savings. Now, on the flip side, there are a few things to watch out for. Some customers say the interest rates they were offered were higher than what other lenders quoted them. That means you could end up paying more over time. Also, a few people have mentioned that certain fees weren't clearly explained upfront, which led to some unpleasant surprises at closing. And yeah, no one likes surprises when you're buying a house. Customer service is a bit hit or miss. Some folks had great experiences with helpful, responsive reps. Others, not so much, saying they had a hard time getting updates or clear communication during the process. It's worth keeping that in mind if you prefer more personal support or frequent updates. Now, here's something important to know. Rocket and its affiliated companies have been in the news recently for legal reasons. For example, Rocket Homes, which is their real estate arm, was named in a lawsuit by the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. The CFPB alleges they may have violated federal rules by steering clients toward Rocket's own mortgage services, which could be considered a conflict of interest. The case is still ongoing, and Rocket hasn't been found guilty of anything at this point. Also, the Department of Justice filed a lawsuit against Rocket Mortgage, alleging racial disparities in how home appraisals were handled. Rocket denies the allegations, and that case is also still in progress. These lawsuits don't necessarily reflect the experience of every customer, but they're worth being aware of. So, is Rocket Mortgage a scam? No, it's a legitimate, licensed lender with millions of customers. But like with any large company, not every experience is going to be perfect. If you're into doing everything online and want a fast, tech-driven process, Rocket could be a good fit. Just make sure to compare rates, ask questions about fees, read the fine print, and consider getting multiple quotes. Definitely do your own research or talk to a financial advisor to find the best option for your situation. At the end of the day, Rocket Mortgage is legit, but like any mortgage lender, your experience will depend on your personal needs, expectations, and how closely you monitor the process from start to finish.